So this is the spacer. I took the tire out to see the condition of the rotor. The rotor looks good, as you can tell, and so is the pads. Doesn't look like these are too old, and looks like they probably were changed in the last 6 months or a year or so. And the condition of the caliper is pretty good. It's just like a surface rust on it, so maybe in the last 6 months, maybe a year, looks like the brakes were changed. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the new rotor and I'll put it against it and see the thickness. If both thickness are the same, and that means this rotor will pass. And I'm pretty much sure these pads will pass too, because there's a lot of pads left on it. It's like half of it, or maybe even more than half is there. See? Yeah. So this is the condition of the right front rotor, and this guy here is a spacer on which the rims fit. So this is the setup that I'm dealing with, and looking at the hose, the hydraulic hose, it's not bad. There's no cracks on it, nothing, you know. And the hose is in pretty good condition. So I will not change the hose either. I'll just leave it.